How to save IBM Lotus Notes emails into various file format. If you want to save IBM Lotus Notes emails into various, then you can use Aryson Lotus Notes NSF viewer tool that allows you to save your NSF file emails into PST, PDF, MSG, CSV, Mailbox, EML, etc. file format. Let's check out the prerequisites of the software. Run software as an administrator while using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. IBM Lotus Notes installation required before software runs. Let's check out the software features. Saves NSF file emails into PST, PDF, MSG, CSV, Mailbox and other file format. Let's check out the working process of Aryson Lotus Note NSF viewer tool. Follow the given steps when you saving IBM Lotus Notes emails as PDF. First, install and launch the Aryson Lotus Note NSF viewer tool. Click on the Select File or Select Folder button to select the NSF file and press on the Open button. Now, select the items of NSF file and preview them. Select the Mailbox items of NSF file and click on the Next button. Choose the saving options as PDF file from the left panel of the software. Check the Mail Filter options and Naming Convention option. Click on the Select Path button to choose the location where you want to save the converted NSF file. Now, press on the Convert button and convert NSF file into PDF file successfully. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.